Ow.
Oh boy.
Oh, that hurt.
It did?
Huh?
It did?
Wow.
It's wet.
I slid on that fucking mud right there.
I can tell. I almost fell trying not to hit you. Oh my God, what is wrong with you? Wait. Oh, swallow. Is the camera on? Oh, this is not gonna. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Oh, shoulder and knee. Oh, no, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, it's not good. Oh shit, I hit my head. Oh. I need mouth to mouth.
I'm like, I don't fucking believe you. Because you fixed that time, and now you're falling down, and I'm not even
I swear to God, I got hurt. Both my knee and shoulder. Oh, fuck.
I'm like,
dude, I hit this fucking. Give me your hand. Oh, wait. Don't push it too hard. Ah, shit. Oh my God. Oh, dude, I thought I was gonna look where I hit.
huh?
Look where I hit. You gonna see this?
How'd you hit up there?
Oh, I just slide and fucking my hand hit that.
Oh, your head?
Oh shit. Is my GoPro running still?
Yeah.
Oh God.
I'm like, if you're dying, it's too bad.
Oh, I don't even know why I'm laughing. Oh, dude, this is not good.
Huh?
My knee. My shoulder. Oh my God. It's so much mud.
It's mud.
Too wet here. Okay.
I just started really getting wet over here.
I know.
I thought you went through that. I was like, did he try to go through that fucking mud?
No, I was here. I just that's where I slid right there.
Huh?
You see that?
What?
I think I slid right there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's not. Oh.
I'm like, what did you just do? Why did you fall down?
You never know. You know the drill. You know the drill. Son of a bitch. Oh, that hurts bad.
What, you gotta start wearing knee pads now?
Oh, I already have a knee pad. Can you imagine if I didn't have it? Let's go. I got that plastic thing.
You got the oh, you're dry.
Hello, it's raining.
He's dry as hell. He got the waterproof shit on. Oh, that was close.
up. The guy's having fun. These people know how to have fun. Oh! Try to lift the back up, and I'm gonna pull it like this.
I can't get to where I can lift the fucking thing.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Oh, it's in gear, it's in gear.
Okay, I'm holding it. I'm holding.
It's out now.
Oh! What? Atta boy. Oh my! Yo, that wouldn't be a bad crash. Dude, I locked the fucking brakes.
I stalled it and it locked
Woo! I see I'm going towards the tree. I'm like, ah, no. Ah. Oh, you did it. You did it.